Hello, I am Ashok K Chauhan Sir.
And I am Sharma from grade 6 AIS Raipur. Here we have made this poster on the topic of traditional water conservation system of India.
As we all know, water is essential and the resources of fresh water is decreasing day by day due to water pollution, urbanization and unawareness. Rainfall water is the primary source of fresh water. Hence, various water conservation systems are having used across India to harvesting rainfall water. So, here we have used a motif of a funnel and the image is on it of some traditional water conservation systems like Bawri, Johats, Katta and sandboards etc. And the water drops of rain is coming inside the funnel and reaching to the earth, which increasing groundwater level and growing weeds. Here, the funnel is drawn because it is used to pouring water on any liquid from one pot to another properly or to avoid wasting. And the butterflies here are depicting their lives, trying to create a sense of care and importance of water. Here we have used here our watercolors, color pencil and sketch pen somewhere. Thank you.